Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve USA Olympiad problem, that is 4 raised to power 1 plus x plus 4 raised to power 1 minus x equals 10. We will solve this step by step. For this purpose, first of all, we will write this as 4 into 4 raised to power x plus 4 into 4 raised to power minus x equals 10. You have to find the value of x. Now here we will consider let 4 raised to power x equals y. Then 4 raised to power minus x equal y raised to power minus 1, that equals 1 over y. So we will substitute these value here. So 4y plus 4 into 4 raised to power minus x means 4 by y, and that equals 10. Now in the next step, we will make a quadratic equation by taking the LCM y. So this becomes 4y square 4y square, then plus 4 equals 10y by taking the LCM y. Now we convert this in a quadratic equation, we get 4y square, then minus 10y plus 4 equals 0. Now we will take 2 as common from this equation. So remaining is 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equals 0. It will become 2y square minus 5y plus 2 equals 0. Now in the next step we will make the factors of 4 such that when they are added gives 4, when they are multiplied give 4, and when they are added gives 5. So 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 equals 0. We can take 2y common from these two terms and get, here we write minus y plus 2 equals 0. Now we will take 2y as common, so remaining is y minus 2, and minus 1 common from this and get y minus 2 equals 0. The factors are 2y minus 1 and the other one is y minus 2 equals 0. It's mean that y equals 2 and y equals 2y minus 1 equals 0 means y equal 1 over 2. These are the two values. Now we will solve this as, now at y equals 2, we will consider 4 raised to power x equals 2. It's mean that 4 can be write as 2 raised to power 2. It will be multiplied by x, that equals 2. Here the power is 1. So 2x equal 1, that implies x equal 1 over 2. Now for the next one, we have y equals 1 over 2. It's mean that 4 raised to power x equal 1 over 2. So 2 raised to power 2x equal 2 raised to power minus 1. So 2x equal minus 1. It's mean that x equal minus 1 over 2. So our solution will be values of x that are 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.